what a day. Let's get started. Oh, that camera looks dirty. Let me tighten that up. All right, now we're in the building. Here we go. So it looks like we're taking a trip out west. Wait a minute. I know I got somebody behind me, so I gotta just get up here for a second. All right, now I'm in position. So it looks like we're taking a trip out west. We got this Oldsmobile 88, Delta 88 or 88 Royale. I don't even know. I think they just called them 88s back then too. Little damage. Core support looks good though. Looks like it's all plastics. And then the fender, only 121,000 miles. There's the photo. Not bad, not bad, not bad. So now that's a classic right there. Look at that. That's a Suburban / Tahoe before, you know, they was really like that. Look at that thing, man. No doors on the back on that side, only on the other side. That thing's what's up, man. Custom 10, man. Look at that. Dr. Dino. All right, guys. So we are hitting the road. I have 1,200 miles, 18 hours and 21 minutes. We are on the way. So without further ado, we should go ahead and get this thing started. We got to go pick up these cars in OKC. One of them is going to be real easy, be a real easy fix. The other one's going to require a fender and a hood and a couple other things. You guys may have seen it already on Instagram. Update, I got an email. If you're following me on Instagram at TK's Garage, you can see I got the shipping update and notice today, as well as, you know, like there's like a Mopar club thing or whatever that you know, Chrysler signs you up for or does whatever. So I got that. My VIN number, all that information and stuff I got today. And if you guys want to check that out, for those, because I've had multiple people telling me, TK, it's just a regular Hellcat. You didn't get a red eye. Look, the email is there from Chrysler congratulating me on buying one of these rare red eye Hellcats. Go look at it for yourself. Go verify the VIN. Have at it. Because I don't want to hear it. It's a red eye. It's not a regular Hellcat. It's a frosty ice blue or whatever the hell this color is, which is also super rare with the carbon fiber hood. So bump all that noise. Anyways, with that said, today's video is probably just day one of the road trip. You know, if I see any interesting shit, like maybe somebody eats a friggin' Jersey barrier or something else wild and crazy, you know, we'll check it out as we go. And of course, you know, we'll do different posts as we go through the different states. I'm going to be rolling all the way through North Carolina. I'm on the eastern side. I got to go all the way through this state, all the way through Tennessee, all the way through Arkansas before we get to Oklahoma. And then, you know, once we get the other stuff done with cars, the trip is going to be extended. I got a couple other things to take care of. We're going to go down to Dallas and then maybe a quick stop in Austin. We'll see what happens. So, thank you guys very much for watching. Let's go ahead and get into this damn thing. We're getting some gas. And we're only 1 mile. Fuel level low, I know. We're only 1 mile away from 29,000 miles. Alright guys, so we're around the south side of Charlotte now. You rat bastard. I might have to change the name from this truck to Black Mamba to Takashi. Shit. Anyways, we're moving. We're getting back on 485. I had to stop and get a little bit of gas. No, I didn't fill the truck up. I only filled half it. I filled it up halfway. Because gas was like 185 here. And as soon as I crossed the border into Tennessee, you know, we're going to see that 89-cent gas and shit. So I'd be stupid to fill the truck up here. So, figure I'd dose some 93 in the tank. Burn that off a little bit. But we got a little bit of a ride to go. And there it is. I wanted to see if it would hit. And it just did. Let's see if I can slowly zoom in. There it is. 29,000 miles on the clock. And yes, those MPG ratings are correct. I am averaging oh shit, hold. I just blew up my gas mileage ratings. I had to get her up to speed. Merging here onto the highway. So 29,000 miles on the clock. By the time I get into town, I will be somewhere around 30,100 miles when I get to Oklahoma City. So we will break 30,000 miles on this trip. Ding, 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 ding. So there it is. 29,000 miles and rolling. Woo! All right, let's see if we can go back wide angle. All right, we're back wide. All right, so there you have it. We're going to be rolling for a little bit here. Like I said, we're going around. You can see we're going around the south side of Charlotte. It will bring us around the back side of Charlotte, or the west side of Charlotte. And then it will put us on, I'm guessing, back on 74 Independence, what is that, Independence Parkway or whatever. And then it'll put us on 26, I think. So we're moving, we're getting it down. Let's keep it going. Guys, we're still moving. We're just hitting the Green River Gorge. We're about to hit a 7% grade. You know what I love when I hit the 7% grade? Now I know someone's gonna say, TK, that's illegal. You can't do that, dude. Well, I did. You throw it in neutral and get some of that 99 miles per gallon, and you just let it go down the mountain, baby. Woo! I don't know, I think the fastest I've got to coming down some of these mountains, I think it was in Tennessee, I got down to like 85 rolling downhill on the way back from Vegas out here, out to North Carolina. So, oh, we're going back uphill already? Well, that sucks. I thought we were getting some... Damn, I thought we were... It said 7% grade. I'm thinking like we're going to be going downhill for a while, but I guess not. You can hear the mama. She wakes up coming up these hills, man. Love the way this truck sounds. So we are under 1,000 miles. You can see that there. We're at 989 miles. I figure what I'll do is when I get into Tennessee, wow, you can see like these trucks be struggling to get up these damn mountains, man. Emergency vehicles entering highway when flashing. Well, I forgot they got the state trooper barracks up here, huh? Hendersonville. Next 3 exits. Well, we got a little bit more of a run, but like I said, I think I got enough fuel to make it into Tennessee, so I can get that cheap gas, that real cheap gas, that under $1 gas. That's what I'm waiting for. But yeah, we got a little bit of a run to go. I'll check back in with you guys here in a little bit, probably well before we get into Tennessee, and then I'll stop somewhere in Tennessee and I'll edit this stuff together so y'all have y'all's video for the day. But yeah, there it is. We're on 26. We're on 26 and moving. 26 heading west. So Hendersonville, next 2 exits. There you go. Oh, there's a Shell station. Ding, ding, ding. All right, I will catch you guys here in a little bit. All right, guys, so we're almost into Tennessee. The map just turned bright red, though, so we're going to see... I see it says watch for slow traffic. I'm assuming that they're going to squeeze down to 1 lane or something here in a minute. But, again, we're under 1,000 miles, 926 miles to go. And we're about 8 miles from the border. So, not... Oh, is it we're going to rain? Sweet. So not that far, and you can see the red there. We're going to see here in a minute when we come around this curve if the traffic, now we're merging into one lane. So that's what's causing the backup, I'm willing to bet. Yep. You can see it on the map there. But 5 miles away from the Tennessee border. Yeah. And we'll be able to wrap up part 1 of the trip. Part 1 of the Copart Wind pickup in Oklahoma. A lot of people are like, that's crazy. I can't believe you drive halfway across country to pick up a car. You got to think right now gas is like $1, right? It's cheap. For what it was going to cost me to pay somebody, if I wanted to pay a transporter to pick it up, right? It would cost me more money. It cost me like $1,100 to transport that car. That's ridiculous. You know what it's going to cost me probably in fuel to get out to Oklahoma and back after I post content, and any of the content makes money? It'll end up being free. The content alone will cover the cost of me going out there to pick up the car. Plus, I get to make some cool content. We'll get to hang out with Randy over at Auto Auction Rebuild. We'll go get to check out Austin Car. Maybe I'll link up with Lucky's Wheels and Deals while we're out here. We'll see. You know, maybe I'll burn the damn tires off this Tahoe and buy a new set of tires. Maybe we'll do some burnouts in the Tahoe. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Oh, I love this tunnel, man. Hold on. Damn, let's see if we got some clearance. Hold on one second. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Yo! Yo, did you hear the Mamba wake up? Mamba said, what? Yes! Oh man, I love the way this exhaust and that engine sounds, boy. Oh, man, I got this thing dipping and diving, rolling through these mountains, boy. They be like, you can't run no lifted truck like that running through those mountain turns. Yeah, you can. You just have to know how to actually drive. Starting to get some water though. It's gonna get a little squirrely. Where is that Tennessee sign? I know we gotta be coming up on it. I know we gotta be coming up on this Tennessee sign. There it is, right there, right? What does it say? Mile 451. So we crossed into Tennessee and there's no damn, there it is. I was about to say, yeah, how we crossed into Tennessee and I don't get a welcome sign? Wow. There it is. Tennessee welcomes you. Welcome to Tennessee. Ding, ding, ding. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. We're on the way. We got a little bit of a ride to go. Just a little bit of a ride to go. And we will pick that up on part 2 mañana, tomorrow. You know? We'll pick that up tomorrow. So, I want to thank all of y'all for coming in today and, you know, just coming out and hanging out in the premiere, because you guys know we premiere our videos every single day so I can interact with you guys in real time. You know, not saying sadly I haven't seen any crazy stuff on the road yet. I really haven't. There's been nothing. You know what? I'm out here like, I haven't seen anything crazy, and there's a big sign that says falling rocks. It'd be a boulder or something drop in the middle of the damn road. You know. Oh. But luckily, everything has been good. No accidents, no craziness, no drama. So we love that. And we're going to keep moving, man. We're going to keep driving. We're going to keep moving. And we're going to get this thing going, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Also, stay tuned. I guess we're going to drop the giveaway video when we get out there. Because that way I can actually do it with a couple of the people that'll be involved in the giveaway, I guess. Well, with that said, again, I just want to thank you guys very much for watching. Questions and comments, even after this premiere. Shout out to my replay crew. You may see this later on this evening, the next day, whatever. I will be in that comment section because I got nothing but a long-ass drive ahead of me. So make sure y'all hit me up in that comment section and let me know how y'all are doing or any questions y'all have. And I will do my best to address them. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it. Probably do a little time lapse or something on the outro for y'all. But with that said, we're in Tennessee. We're on the way. Catch y'all tomorrow. Oh, I know I said I was out of here, but God. Oh, car's only... Oh, and I fucked up. You know, my brain was like, go this way, go that way, go this way. Let me hold this L. Yo. Alright, let me just park over here real quick. We're gonna go in here. I'm sure nobody's coming. I'm gonna go in here and take a leak. And then we can get back on the road. And then you guys can pick up from where we left off now.